Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to stop by really quick and let you guys know that I'm working on pendants. Not only am I working on pendants, I'm working on beads, and I'm going to be having, it's a new website, thebeadhustler.com. That website should be up in the next couple of days where I'll be selling only pendants like what you see here. And I'll be selling beads. So I'm not only going to be selling just the just not just the painted beads, it'll be all kind of beads. I got different stuff that I'm working on for supplies to be able to supply the website, but more so it'll be populated with pendants. So not just this style, it'll be a lot of different styles. Any pendant is going to be $5 on the website. And you can see you can use any type of string or rope or whatever you want to hang the pendant from, or however it is that you make it. And this is just some of them. Very lightweight, very unique and different. Really nice wire pendants. So just wanted to stop by really quick, show you these, what I'm working on. And these beads are going to be for other necklaces for the fair.com store. So all of these type of beads mainly. I'm making the necklaces for the store. And then you can also see these beads. These will come, let me move this over. These will come my hands look ashy. These will come to a pack, the wire beads. So they'll come wired like this. They're easy to bead. I've already tried them. I make sure that the holes are nice and wide, where you can put whatever you're going to put through, wire or the elastic. So, and these will come in a variety of colors. So these are the wired beads. Got a lot of good stuff coming. And just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, we'll talk soon.